Hi guys, welcome to the session. This is Prakash, math tutor. Let's solve the question which I have written on the whiteboard. Here we need to prove. So first let's draw the diagram. Draw one quadrilateral and one circle inside that quadrilateral like this. Let ABCD be the quadrilateral, and in angle A we have two angles. Let those angles as 1. In angle B, let the angles as 2, and in angles in C, let the angles of C as 3, and let the angles of D as 4. And O is the center of the circle. So ABCD be the quadrilateral and O is the center of the circle. Now join AO, BO, CO and DO. In angle DAO, which is 1, so the angle DAO is equals to angle BAO, because the AD and AB are the tangents. So we can say that the angle DAO is equals to angle BAO is equals to 1. Similarly, angle ABO is equals to angle CBO. Since AB and CB or BC are the tangents. AB and BC are the tangents. So in this, angle B is 2. So let angle ABO is equals to angle CBO equals to 2. Similarly, take a same way of vertices C and D as well. So now write down the sum of the angles in quadrilateral ABCD. Sum of the angles in the quadrilateral ABCD, which is 360 degrees, because the sum of the angles in quadrilateral is 360 degree. See here, we have one angles, and we have two angles at B, we have two angles at C, and we have two angles at D. So write it as 2 into angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 4 is equals to 360. Now divide both the sides by 2. So we'll get angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3, and angle 4 is equals to 180 degree. And now take the triangle AOB. From the triangle AOB, so the angle of angle BOA becomes 180 degree minus A plus B. Here A plus B is nothing but the angle 1 plus angle 2. Similarly, from the triangle COD, the angle COD becomes 180 minus a C plus D. So where C plus D is nothing but angle 3 and angle 4. So angle BOA plus angle COD becomes 180 minus A plus B plus 180 degrees plus C plus D. So 180 becomes 360 minus A plus B plus C plus D. So A plus B plus C plus D becomes 180 because A, B, C, D are nothing but angle 1, angle 2, angle 3 and angle 4. So sum of the 4 angles is 180 degree. So 360 minus 180 becomes 180. So hence we proved that the supplementary angles are add up to 180 degree at the center O. So AB and CD are the supplementary angles at the center O. So hence it proved. I hope you understand this question. Thanks for watching.